In this experiment, we'll need some M&Ms, a bowl, and a cup of water. Place a few M&Ms in the bottom of your bowl. Keep each M facing up and spread them out as much as you can. Slowly pour in room temperature water in the bowl until the candies are completely covered. Now wait and observe over the next 10 or 20 minutes. As you can see, some parts of M&Ms are water soluble while others aren't. After a short time of soaking in the water, you begin to see the colored dyes from the M&M dissolve and mix together in the bowl. This lets you know that the dyes are water soluble. However, as you can see, the M's have risen to the top. They are not water soluble. That is why after 10 or 20 minutes, you'll witness this hard shell and the M float in the water without breaking apart. Did you know M&Ms began manufacturing in 1941? The first M's were black in color and only got their white stamps in 1954.